Today in class, we're going to be taking notes on potions of chewing.
All right, Professor.
Oh no, my notes! Maybe I have whiteout. It has to be in my pencil box. Huh? Oh, where is it? No, everything's ruined. How am I gonna fix this?
Vampire, calm down. Maybe I can help you.
Really, Zombie? Do you have whiteout I can borrow?
No, I don't. Sorry.
Oh, then there's no hope. What am I gonna do?
It's okay, Vampire. We'll figure it out. I know. All you need is some paint and a brush.
What? How's that gonna fix my problem?
It's just like whiteout. I'll show you. Just get some white paint on the brush. Now give me your notebook.
Okay, I'm trusting you, Zombie.
Don't worry. Now paint over the mistake. See? It looks just like whiteout.
You're right. Thanks so much, Zombie.
Hey, what's with all the talking? Get back to work.
Sorry, Professor.
Hey, Zombie, are you ready for the presentation today?
Yeah, I made note cards and everything.
Okay, first to present is Zombie.
Okay, Professor. Wish me luck. Good luck. Okay, so zombie history started in the 1920s? No, 1300s with George Washington? Where was I?
Zombie, you need to be prepared. Go back to your seat.
Oh, what? No!
Oh no, what happened, Zombie?
I kept mixing up the lines because they look so similar.
Oh, I can help you fix that. See?
Wow, your note cards look so clear. Can you show me?
Yeah, all you need is a blank note card and a highlighter and a pen. Switching in between the colors will make it easier to read the lines.
Wow, you're right, Vampire. It's really easy to read. Thank you.
No problem. You should ask if you can try again.
Oh, you're right. Thanks.
Make sure to finish the test before the end of class.
Yes, Professor. Perfect. Now's my chance. Now there's no way I'll fail.
Hey, Zombie, can I please use your cheat sheet? I really need to pass this test.
No, I need my cheat sheet too. But I'll show you how to make one.
Really? How?
All you need are 2 pens and a cheat sheet. First, fold your paper like an accordion. Next, you'll need some tape. Now just attach the cheat sheet to your pens. Now you have a hidden cheat sheet. Here you go, Vampire.
Oh, this is perfect. Thanks, Zombie.
No problem. Now let's hurry up and finish our test.
Oh, yeah.
All right, turn in your test.
Okay, Professor.
All right, everyone, remember to turn in your book reports.
Okay, Professor. Huh? Hey, Zombie, you stapled your math homework in front of your book report.
Wait, really? Oh, man. I was in a hurry yesterday and didn't notice. I'll just tear it off.
Wait, Zombie, don't do it. It would look so messy. Just let me help you. All you need is a pen.
What? How is a pen gonna help me?
Trust me. Just give me your book report.
Okay.
Just use the pen to lift the staple. Now we just need to pull the staple from the front. Now just take your math homework off. Finally, just staple your book report together. Here you go, Zombie.
You saved my book report. Thanks, Vampire.
No problem, Zombie.
Everyone, turn in your book reports.
Okay.
Are you ready to finish this science project?
Yeah. Oh, where is it?
Huh? Is there a problem?
I know I've done most of the project, but I can't find the section where the data is.
It's okay. You just need to be a little bit more organized like me.
What? But how am I supposed to do that?
Don't worry, I'll show you. You just need colorful paper and some paper clips. Put the paper clip through the spiral. You just need to cut a piece of the paper now. Now just slide the paper in. Now you have tabs in your notebook. All we have to do is label them now. Now your notebook's all organized and it's easier to find things.
Wow, thanks, Vampire. Professor's gonna love how organized this is.
Students, turn in your homework before the end of class.
Yes, Professor. All done.
Okay, Zombie, just turn it in 5 minutes before the end of class.
Okay, Professor. That means it's snack time for me. Oh, my favorite. Hey, Vampire, do you want some?
do this? You ruined my paper.
Sorry, I just wanted to share my snacks with you. I don't know what to do.
It's fine, Zombie. I can fix it. We just need a hair straightener.
Huh? But what's that gonna do?
The heat from the straightener should dry the paper. It's similar to ironing your clothes.
Wow, Vampire, you're a genius.
I know, but be careful next time.
Okay, sorry, but do you still want some?
Sure. Oh, this chapter's so interesting. Huh? What was that? My book!
Oops, sorry, it was an accident.
What? An accident? Oh, it's gonna take me forever to find my page again.
I can make it up to you. Just give me a second.
What do you mean?
Just hold on. All I need are scissors and paper.
Okay. But what are you even gonna do with that?
It'll be really cool. Just watch. First, draw a skull on the bottom of the paper. Now, we'll cut out the bookmark. Now you have a bookmark to keep your page.
Oh, this skull bookmark is so cute. Thanks, Zombie. Now I'll never lose my page.
Maybe I should make one for myself now.
Yeah, I'll just finish my notes.
Hi, everyone.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a